So I'm off. I'm gonna go and have a look at a vending machine for work. Me and my mate are gonna go halves, and you can come along. We'll see how we get on. If we buy it, if we don't, let's see. Bye. Let's get going. So, I've arrived on location. Very dodgy, around the back of some units. What we're gonna find, don't know. Nobody's here yet, but they might be inside. He's 4 minutes away. So we're just waiting. Waiting, anticipating. Just want to see it. See if it's worth the money we're going to spend on it. But yeah, hopefully we're here any minute. See you in a sec. So
I've not got a face for YouTube or TV. I'm like a radio.
No? No, this is quality.
I struggled dealing with a bunch of volunteers the other day. It was just like,
Oh look, there's information there. Look, test mode.
yeah, it's got a bit of stuff it does, and don't know if it does yeah.
But there we go. Sweet. All right. Don't want that. So go on then.
I won't mess around. Give me £800, mate, it's yours. There we go. As simple as that. I think that's kind of half where you are and where I am. It just seems an awkward debate, doesn't it?
Okay.
I'm quite open with that if that works for you.
That works for me. What about you, Chris? 800?
800?
800?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go with what you say, sweetheart. Give the money, mate.
We bought it for 800. So we're splitting that. So 400 each. Now we've got to do the getting it in the van scenario. Like to try and get it in the side door. Stood up to it, and yeah, I know it's gonna need to be tipped and then bent up, but we'll see. It might be fun. Right, let's see how we get on. You've got some out the front.
I haven't done 2 years in conservation. I've got artificial grass.
You've got some out the front, you have.
Yeah, I'm very for it. There's a lot of people against it. I have no issues, but I like to go with that sort of scenario in my head.
Right, so it won't go straight in.
No. But if you feed it to me, I will bend it and we can push the back up.
Get it in like that. You reckon there's enough room there? It's quite wide as well, mate.
I'm going to sip my coffee while you make a plan.
Yeah.
How wide is it?
The only thing I will advise, don't lie it down.
Yeah.
I will advise that, but
That's why we bought his van, because I've only got a V10.
Yeah, so it will go in here sideways.
So it'll go sideways.
Sideways, but
and
it need to
about
go
width.
that way. It will not fit there, so it has to, when we're in here, we can push it that way.
So it needs to go up and in that way.
In that way, yeah.
have you
Well, no.
checked your, I guess you checked the height, haven't you?
Its height is too small
To go in straight.
to go in straight, so we're
Wow.
5 inches off.
Who's the strongest person out of the three of us then? Because that's the person going to be inside. We haven't done an arm wrestle yet, we don't know, do we?
Alright, well, you can do it.
No, it's right.
If you want.
No, I just know they're fucking heavy. I think our biggest problem, we can lean it back, is the lift.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
getting it up and in,
It's
isn't
getting
it?
up and in.
We should have bought the electric pallet trucks, mate. Just wheel them up into the back. And then we could literally just loop it straight up.
It up and in, but getting that in the van would have been heavy.
It won't go in the back either, will it? Because it's the same height.
Should we make it as high as we can, or was that silly because
Yeah.
we haven't got the height at the top?
High as you can.
Well, I'll tell you what, if I go down and just try and move it, and you'll know what I'm talking then.
Maybe it's relative.
Well, it's not too bad.
Oh, that's all right then, good.
Says you.
The last guy was a little worm, and he was like, I can't do this, and I just literally lifted the back of his L200 and said, off you pop. Right, you're confident.
We lift grand pianos around, so
Well, I suppose you would do, wouldn't you?
yeah, you name it. If they got it in an house, we're on it.
Yeah, you can't do straps because it's the height. Nah.
I mean, it's quite
Big one.
What's underneath it? So we could take the legs off, it would go. Is there gubbins underneath?
I've never really looked, to be honest.
But then if you
So
I'll
I'll go in.
get the straps on it, and then we can just strap it up and straight in.
Because it's too tall.
Tilt it like that with the straps like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can tilt it like that, and then as the top goes in, you can just yoink it and in.
Yeah, because I'll
But
pull
you
the
can't
top.
go that way, can you? Because you've got that. But so we'll have to get it into the top like that, and then slide it in as far as it'll go, and
Okay,
then
you
shove
put the
it.
straps around it and see if you can
I think
lift it.
drop it and strap it.
I suppose there's two in there
I
anyway.
cannot imagine for the life of me that somebody's going to lift it.
Yeah, I still trust.
If we can't lift it.
Yeah, and this will be inside, so that's eliminated that straight away.
Exactly.
I just don't trust many people on this planet.
So we went back to the unit. We couldn't get the electric pallet trucks on our van. They're too tall, and the side doors not big enough to put it up to that level anyway and get it in. So we've had to call a man with a van, and we're meeting him at Mackie D's. And I've got a few drinks, so I have a drink and chill out because it's a bit stressful, obviously. Worried about leaving it there for a couple hours while we went back to our unit and tried to figure out maybe a bigger van or something. We do have a bigger van with a big side door, but it's off the road at the minute getting fixed, so that was even more stress. We were thinking about ringing the guy back and just asking him if we can put it back into his unit, and we'll pick it up during the week because it's Saturday today. We'll sort something out for the week, but we've got a man with a van coming. Hopefully he'll turn up. He said it was a Luton with a tailgate, so it drops. We've got the pallet trucks, so the pallet trucks are there. So hopefully we'll be golden. So I'm just looking out for him now. But while I'm looking out, I'm gonna have a strawberry milkshake. So I'll catch him with you when he turns up, hopefully. See you in a sec. Do you want a coffee?
I'll turn around, innit?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah,
Do you want a coffee? We've got 2 extra coffees if you want them.
Oh,
Get back out, actually, can't you?
You can get back out, yeah.
Yeah, it's alright there, mate.
Well, there we go.
I've jacked at that, so things.
Look at that. That's what we needed. We turned up in that thing, that van. We thought that could go on it.
Well, we would
Yeah.
go on it, but if you lift the bucket up.
The problem is, it's taller than the side door by 5 inches.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's not taller than
Is that a
6
case
foot.
of if you got it in there, it'd be alright if it was inside?
That's what you.
So it's getting it in there.
And the pump up's only goes up that.
That's 6 foot.
That's how I got in there, isn't it?
Yeah, no worries.
I bought that 15 months ago, and it's
Coffee over there, you
can't
can
have caffeine.
Can't have caffeine either.
No caffeine. Makes you fucking heartbreak on it.
Oh dear. Alright, I'll put this down, I'll give you a hand.
Yeah, that should go in anyway.
It's less than 6 foot.
We'll get it in anyway. Whatever, it's got to go in, isn't it?
You might have to,
Even if you tip the fucker in, you know what I mean?
might have to,
It's got to be higher than that, mate.
then you have to drop
It
it.
won't be that hot, it'll be lower than that. Yeah, we'll put it up in the glass.
So it's in. It's in. We're just about to go on the road. And these boys have saved the day, sorted us out.
Yeah. The garage, they wanted £5,000 for an axle.
You're joking.
Seriously, plus the VAT, so that's £6 isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's why it moved back.
Why?
Chris,
Yo.
it shot back, and now we can't get the sat trucks out because it's closed that gap up.
Right, I'll tell you what we're going to do.
We have to wiggle it.
Manhandle it forward.
That's it. Let me just... Fucking hell, good job I'm not fat. Right, we should go again.
Yep, ready? There you go. Ah, there you go.
Mate.
Get on. Try to handle, man.
Might want to spin that, Mark. Gently does it, mate. Get ready to drop it if you have to, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready now. Bit more. Bit more. Nearly there. Bit more. No, a bit more. Bit more.
You're on.
Yeah.
Bit more. That'll do you. Yeah, drop it now, mate. Drop it to take it out.
As long as you're going to clear that load.
As long as that, go on then, keep going. That's it, mate. Right, should we just go down, yeah?
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Here it comes.
Blackberry, Birmingham.
Yep.
Yeah. Which isn't an issue at the moment. We just need powering up. It's got to settle for. So we're just going to give it a clean. The battery's running out. We'll see you in a bit. I have the power. Alright, so it's been a week and it's all sorted. Top quality. So I'll put stickers on it. 170, £1. So this is about 6 months later. The vending machine's still going. I did have to do a bit of maintenance on it, and I had to replace this in behind here, which costs 55 quid. I had to import it from America, and yeah, fix all that. But other than that, it's been going well, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's still cooling, still good. I've moved it over because when it rained it got soaked all down the side, but yeah, there we go. You want to see inside? So inside, got a key, a barrel key, and we open it like that. So that pops open, and then you can just pull this door. In here is all the money, all the change, so all the 50s, the 10s, 5s, 20s, and that refills automatically. And the money shoots down here and goes in here. So that's where all the money goes. Little pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, to be sure. And we open this door here, and obviously here's the fridge bit. It drops down into there. When you push this, that lifts that so no one can get their hand up and inside. So yeah, there we go.
Thanks everybody for watching. If you got something from this video, think about subscribing or giving us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers everybody, bye.